just not prepared for anything. Hey guys, welcome to Thistle.
I'm Sanjana and this is Dyuti.
And so the other day, when we were getting ready for our, previous
Yeah.
episode, we were just, sort of brainstorming for ideas as to, what our next episode could be about. And
I was like judging Dyuti's outfit, and then I was like asking her to change and stuff like that.
She made me change like 2 times, and yeah, but it's fine.
So many times. Oh my god.
See, anyways.
So
yeah.
we were doing that, and then we were like we thought somehow we just thought about how our there were these fashion trends back in the day, like in 2010ish. I think that's what it's called.
Early 2000s kind,
trends sort of thing. Like the fashion trends and stuff, and we were just like, oh my god, like we
literally, started for like the rest of our, even when we were like prepping for our setup and stuff like that, we kept on talking about it. So we were like, okay, wait, we can actually talk about this.
Exactly.
So yeah.
And it's kind of crazy the number of things we've like all the trends we've been a part of. Like actually most of it, to be honest. And like the first one was just like the first thing I think we came up with was the hair thing,
the puff
thing,
hair sort of thing. Yeah.
We do that with curly hair. It'll look beautiful.
Next step.
So it's like I didn't exactly do that. Like I used to just flatten it at the top.
Yeah.
I wouldn't exactly keep the puff. Like it didn't really suit me. Not like the other thing suited me well.
We
but
need pictures of this.
No. And my mom used to do that for me because I couldn't.
I feel like I never did that, but then I always had this headband sort of phase when I had this very thick black color headband. Okay.
Headband as in the cotton one or the plastic?
No, the plastic one. Yeah.
Okay.
So everywhere, every day, I used to wear it without fail.
Oh my god.
Up until 10th, if I'm not wrong, I used to wear it every day. Even despite the fact that I was wearing 2 braids, every day it used to be there on my head. I used to take it off just to sleep. It was like my emotional support hairband. I think it broke. I think that's why I stopped wearing it. But yeah,
good reason. High time. And then skinny jeans. I mean, I think we wore skinny jeans even up until
a couple of years
ago.
Honestly,
Also, yeah,
more than skinny jeans, I feel like I mostly wore jeggings.
Oh, yeah.
Because they were a lot more comfortable than skinny jeans. Because skinny jeans used to just get stuck up here, and then I used to have such a hard time. You know that little jean dance that you do when you're pulling your jeans up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it used to always get stuck here, and I used to just question my life after that. So yeah, I used to prefer jeggings.
That used to happen even with the anarkali pant, no?
Oh my god, yeah.
It used to be so tight at the bottom, and we used to struggle to pull it up our ankle, and that was another pain only.
I used to actually put a cover on my foot, and then I used to put that pant because I'm just there's no other way in which it's going to come up.
The struggle is real. Such first world problems we have. Rather, we've had.
But the thing is, it wasn't just the pants, it was the top as well. Because somehow you used to squeeze yourself into that top, but when you used to take it out,
another struggle.
It used to get stuck halfway through this thing.
And we used to call our moms. We also used to do that. Nice. But
God.
And then it was these flannel shirts.
Flannel shirts.
Yeah.
I actually still
Same
like
thing.
flannel.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
But the thing about pairing it with black leggings was the major thing, you know. And people used to pair that with choker, if I'm not wrong. Wear it like this only, and then pair it with that black choker.
The one with the lace one.
Yeah. Like that only.
No, I feel like we used to wear it with that owl necklace. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, dude, I had it. I had it.
Yeah. I think I still have it.
Yeah.
It's kind of cute, yeah.
I mean, it was really nice. Like, I mean, so many people used to wear it. A lot of people, so many of my friends, and we used to be like, hey, owl necklace, yeah, owl necklace. And even the choker was a big phase, you know, like, I never wore chokers, but like all my friends and stuff, when I was in 6th, 7th grade, it was a huge thing. Like, I don't know.
They used to wear it to school.
No, not to school, but when we used to meet and like in Instagram pictures and all that. And gifting chokers was also like, like really, like everyone would appreciate it a lot and stuff like that.
I feel like with chokers, you can either like pull it off
or you just can't.
Yeah.
True. But we have one of our friend can pull it off really well.
Exactly. Yeah.
But
I think we both just thought of the same person.
Exactly. We actually gifted her also like very recently. Yeah, we like noted it down because we thought this would happen.
The tie-dye trend.
Tie-dye trend.
God, yeah.
I never did that. Like I always wanted to, but like somehow I just didn't.
No, I feel like, see, I never did it as well, but it was only like recently that I actually tried tie-dyeing, but I tried it with like rust.
Oh.
I mean, like a friend of mine actually like, you know, introduced me to this idea and we just like, why don't we try it? So you like take like metal wires, metal anything like that, and then you use that to create like
that's
rust
nice.
pattern. So yeah, I still have that shirt though.
Nice.
But yeah, I've never worn it till date, but it was very fun.
Nice.
I can see why it was such a huge thing.
Exactly. It was a DIY. Like in most of the YouTube videos, the first DIY was a tie-dye t-shirt or like tie-dye denim shorts and stuff like that.
Bro, especially on like 5-minute
crafts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. The amount of tie-dye stuff they've done.
Literally. It's crazy. But I can't believe it's like it still lives on.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice trend that was actually. I was too lazy to be a part of it.
Of course.
But then the thing I weirdly liked was the neon trend.
I'm judging you.
Hey, it was nice. Like we used to wear those bangles, glow in the dark bangles. And like in the dark it would be neon colors, like neon orange, pink, yellow and stuff. Like it would give those very sasta concert vibes. It was nice.
Yeah, I'm sure it was.
And like people these days, they buy like neon shoes and all, like the expensive neon shoes and all that stuff. So like, come on. Not that I like neon now. Back then. It was nice. It was fun. Check again. Because I'm just like blanking out.
Off shoulder.
Oh yeah, but like
God.
off shoulders, like I used to see it on everyone. Would you ever wear
it? Was
it?
usually, oh please, me. But yeah, it was usually that, you know, thin strip and then your, you know, top would fall off. You get what I mean?
Oh yeah, like I got it. I got it.
It was either that or you could change it as per your wishes. Like it could sit as a normal top as well, and if you were like a bit cool, you could pull it off your shoulders.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever bought a off shoulder or a cold shoulder top. Like there was just one hole in the. So like off shoulders, like it comes completely off your shoulder like this and sits this way. Cold shoulder, if I'm not wrong, is like there's a hole in the sleeve, like near your shoulder.
There's a hole.
Yeah, very weird. I mean, a lot of people liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of them liked it. It was like trending on Tumblr and Pinterest and all back then.
Oh my god, have you had that phase where you were just like scrolling through Pinterest and it was the same?
That's the phase is happening right now, not back then.
But yeah, I used to always see these girls with like, you know, Converse shoes, cold shoulder tops with like a hat and just like a purse with that owl necklace.
Yeah. I think it was that sling bag, just going like that very cool, casual look. But yeah, I was never on Pinterest or like Tumblr back then because I don't know, like there was a rumor that those apps aren't really like nice in the sense they were very not for kids. Yeah, I don't.
Pinterest?
Yeah, I don't know who started that rumor, but yeah, I've heard that, and I was just like, okay, I'm not going to download it, and stuff like that. But yeah, like I used to see those trends on Instagram though. Like they used to like have these fan pages and all this of certain trends, no? So like I used to see that.
Have you seen these, like, in like Wattpad and stuff like that?
What?
Wattpad is like this.
That I know.
Reading. Yeah, so in that, have you seen that YN sort of thing? The fanfics. So when they're writing a fanfic, they usually use a picture for like YN. YN is basically your name.
Oh.
Yeah, so for that YN, they used to always keep these, proper Pinterest girl pictures. And they used to always wear clothes like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know. I have no idea.
It used to always be someone with, like pin straight hair, with like pin straight long hair, and that off shoulder, cold shoulder top.
Yeah.
Or they used to always wear like, flannel shirts and skinny jeans and a white top.
Oh yeah, the white t-shirt
yes,
thing.
Yeah.
I can imagine what you're talking about,
Yeah.
but like I don't think I ever saw it and
I'll
stuff
show it
like
to
that.
you later.
Okay. So like we were also like thinking about like bootcut jeans and stuff like that.
They are so. I still love bootcut jeans.
Yeah, we wear it
Yeah,
every day to college
almost every day.
Yeah, she's wearing
I
it
have like
even
3
now.
pairs of jeans, and out of 3 of them, 2 are bootcut.
Yeah. Are flare and bootcut the same? No.
No, I don't think so. No, flared jeans are like the ones with the, like they flare down, but they have ripples down, if I'm not wrong. And
Yeah?
bootcuts have like, I'm guessing.
Bootcut, I know how it looks.
But I'm guessing. I'm not 100%
okay,
sure
whatever.
either, but yeah.
Yeah. So we were like the bootcut jeans, like that comes basically from like for me especially, I watched Alina Gilbert wearing it and stuff.
From Vampire
Diaries, yeah. And it's like so pretty, like her entire outfit, aesthetic and all that, like her boots also, like it's like it just makes you look so put together and stuff, and like it's like always the darker shades of the jean
always
denim,
yeah.
and it's, I don't know, it's just very nice.
But the one thing that I actually really liked in her outfits were like her tops.
Oh.
Like they were always these like ribbed tops with like these lace details and then with the buttons down. Down the idu, and really liked her tops. Then even have you watched Gilmore Girls?
Oh yeah, I've not watched the entire thing and all. I was recently watching a few episodes with my sister. You like her outfits?
Love her outfits. It's like, even all of her, apart from her tops, I love like her cardigans and stuff. Like they're so cute. Especially she wears this like white cardigan. I don't know why I'm being so specific about it, but like she wears this off-white cardigan. It's so pretty. Like it's one of my favorite.
Oh. See if you can get something similar, like these thrift stores and all, you might find something.
Yeah, I have some really good like thrift stores that I buy from.
Oh yeah, she keeps showing it in class.
I'll put it in the description, guys. Go look at them. They're very, very good.
Giving free shout out.
Very affordable as well. But like, kind of affordable, not very also, but yeah.
But yeah, like how you spoke about Rory Gilmore, when I was watching it also, like her dressing sense and all that, I was just like, Dyuti would like this a lot, and now that you brought it up, I was just like, hey, I actually thought about it.
You know what's funny? She also wears a headband.
The thin
headband.
Yeah,
I wore the fat one.
Are you trying to compare yourself to Rory Gilmore?
Please, no. I do not want to be compared.
You'll be hated on. But yeah. And like it's like we always say but yeah at the end of every
exactly. Take a shot every time you say but yeah.
And also like, Alina Gilbert, another outfit of hers apart from the silk dresses and stuff like that, like not silk exactly. What are
like
those?
the
satin dresses.
Prom dresses.
Yeah, prom dresses. Like is the mini skirt, like the jeans mini skirt and all. And it's just so pretty. Like I got one quite recently and it's like so cute and it's really nice. And that also like kind of reminds me like these the whole Y2K style. It's like completely that. And like we've seen that in like Aishwarya Rai in Dhoom 2.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah.
She looked so pretty.
Yeah, she looks so nice in that.
Yeah.
And that even her outfits in that movie are like so nice.
Have you watched? I mean, obviously you would have watched, but then you know, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah. Tina's
outfits?
Yeah,
Tina wears very similar outfits.
I don't remember.
Yeah, in her first scene itself, she wears like short skirts, and the principal her dad is basically like, short skirts are not allowed.
Oh yeah, she wears that orange top and cream skirt. Yeah, sudden flashback. Flashback? Yeah, flashback.
Yeah, flashback.
Little bit I question my words on camera.
But yeah.
Even her style was that perfect Y2K style, and then when Anjali tried, same thing we were thinking.
But she actually kind of looked cute, honestly.
Yeah, like with that full neon colors.
Hey, Anjali, neon.
Yeah, me only. But that was also really cute and all that stuff. But I like Tina's dresses. I think this one particular dress, like sort of like a dark burgundy-ish short dress. If I'm not wrong, that's only the dress.
Did she wear it to that music competition, the concert sort of thing? Is it that one?
Did she wear that?
It was sleeveless. It was like a halter neck sort of thing, right? Yeah. She wore it to that.
Yeah, halter neck is also a Y2K trend, no? Yes. That's also so halter nice. Halter neck is
halter neck. Halter K. But yeah, I like the halter neck kurta top sort of thing. Have you seen that? The ones with like the block print halter necks, no? They're very nice. If you wear them with like a white skirt.
I don't like white anything bottom.
Yeah?
Yeah, no. I've told you this. So no, I don't like anything white at the bottom. At the bottom, some jeans, shorts, skirts, nothing in white.
Jeans, yeah, but like...
No, I don't like the pure whitish
even
thing.
Like the cottagecore white skirts you don't like?
That's the only thing that I like. It's very flowy, dreamy skirt.
Even the white palazzos are very nice, I think.
I don't know, I always prefer it to be a little more on the creamer side rather than on the...
Creamer side?
Oh God. On the...
But yeah, actually I feel like if there was one person that could represent the Y2K style, big words I'm using, in India, it would be like Kareena Kapoor from like...
Ooh!
Yes.
K3G.
Oof.
Yeah.
Oh my God. All of her outfits in that movie, it's just...
Backless.
Yeah. Wait, Shah Rukh Khan reminds me. Main Hoon Na, the girl from Main Hoon Na, I forgot her name.
Sanjana! Oh yeah. Hey guys. Continue.
Yeah. So Sanjana's outfits is her before she had her transformation.
Transformation.
Before she had her transformation. Her, grunge, pop.
Like rock, punk sort of thing.
It was so good. I don't even know why they made her, why she transformed into like the other aesthetic, because I feel like this suited her like so well.
Like it was her entire personality. Like it showcased her personality rather than her entire personality. Like
and if you notice, like there's this sort of there are certain similarities between what she wears and what Lucky wears as well. Like, that bracelet that she wears, even Lucky wears like a very similar studded bracelet.
Yeah. Oh, I've not noticed.
I feel like they'd focused on such small details and stuff like that. So it was very cute.
Yeah. I feel like both their aesthetics are same though. Like now that you talk about it, it's like
him with his like long hair and stuff like that.
Full rock band vibe sort of thing. Yeah, and like her, like it gave that very... I don't know how to say it.
What?
Gothic emo girl. No, sorry, not
emo girl.
Not emo girl.
Not emo girl. I feel like it's more of a goth. It's just because of her eyes that makes her look very goth, I feel. The rest of it is more of like an emo punk sort of thing.
Rock punk, emo punk, same thing.
No, it's not. It's different.
Okay, fine. And then like, but I think these three were like the iconic Y2K style or and stuff like that.
But
now recent times means like it's like
I feel like all of it's coming back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I was looking at other thrift stores and things like that, and a lot of them sell like these Y2K skirts, Y2K tops. Have you seen these like very like gossamer sort of tops?
What does gossamer mean?
It's like that shimmery thin material. Yeah, like so. I feel like all of those things are coming back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Y2K has been there for a while. Like recently also, like Urbanic and now some Savannah. But yeah.
Savannah.
Yeah, Savannah.
That's true.
But yeah, like I think all of them have those kind of clothes. And like I feel like recent times, like the most iconic one was like Alia Bhatt from Two States. Like she I think the fusion look.
That sort of started from there, you know what I mean? Like a lot of people started wearing, as far as I have seen, it's like a lot of people started copying those looks from that character. You know, Ananya, she wears like a normal top with like a skirt and a dupatta on top and stuff like that.
That's also very cute.
Yeah, actually it's very cute.
It's like the perfect college girl outfit and stuff. We should create a lookbook, you know?
Oh, we should show them what I look like in my second year.
College lookbook of Jyoti is iconic, to say the least.
But yeah, again with the
one more shot. So yeah, like coming back to like the whole Y2K thing, Mean Girls is one of the most iconic.
Yes. Like all of their outfits are like the typical Y2K sort of, you know, outfits. We wear pink on Wednesdays sort of thing.
But I've never done that though.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't. Are you like questioning the fact that I said that?
No, I'm really. Where would you do it in India? Please tell me.
People do it.
Where? When?
I've seen so many people.
In school, you'll do We Wear Pink on
college. Like they put a snap. Like all their friends would have dressed up in pink, and then they put a snap saying we wear pink on Wednesdays.
Oh,
yeah,
that's nice. Kind of cute.
Really?
Yeah, pink. Never mind. I was gonna say something I forgot. Yeah. So pink sort of reminds me of Legally Blonde. Have you watched that film?
Nope.
Really?
I haven't.
Okay, so in how have you not watched Legally Blonde?
I'm not.
Okay. Anyway, so in Legally Blonde, the main character, like her name is Elle Woods, okay, and she's like this typical blonde person. Like she loves like wearing pink. She loves wearing like
basically
gems.
like dressing up and stuff like
and
that.
Stuff like that. So the movie actually, you know, challenges the fact that, you know, blondes can't be smart. Like, you know, that entire,
the whole notion of that.
Yeah, the blondes
you can't be beautiful
dumb,
and smart sort of thing.
Blonde sort of thing. It sort of like challenges that. And her outfits throughout the movie are just like such cute sort of, you know, things. And it's very nice. It's nice to see how, you know, even while I was watching the movie, I was recently watching the movie, and there's this sort of very subtle transition in her outfits as well. So first she starts out with like these typical Y2K college outfits, and then it sort of moves towards these, you know, button-up, lawyerish sort of outfits. So it's very nice to see how they've sort of transitioned through that, but they've still kept the same color palette and the same sort of style alive. So yeah, it's very nice.
Nice, I'll watch it.
Yeah. So yeah, I feel like these were just some of the characters that we could think of that, you know, were a part of the whole Y2K sort of thing. The characters that we sort of grew up with.
Yeah. And also the trends we grew up taking part in.
Yeah.
I think that was really fun, like thinking about all of that.
Yeah.
Let us know if you were like, you know, had these phases and stuff. We'd love to like read your comments. And yeah. So
see you in our next video.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.